Welcome to the tutorial to Wireless Redstone. In this video I will show you the, in my opinion, best way to create Wireless Redstone. I think it's the best way to create it because it doesn't require very much space. You can add as many receivers per signal as you want, and you can create as many senders as you want. By the way, this uses some features that will be added in Minecraft 1.8. First I will give you a quick demonstration. This lever is now on, and you see that the redstone lamp over there is on. When I put the lever off, the redstone lamp over there goes off. So you can see it's pretty fast. Signal 2 over here does the same, and they are independent of each other, signal 1 and signal 2. So, how did I make this? Before I started building everything, I used the command scoreboard objectives add to add an objective called redstone with criteria type dummy and display name Wireless Redstone. Criteria type dummy means that only when I manually or via command block change the score of a player, the score gets changed, and not via something what happens in the game. Okay, and as you can see is in my sidebar the scores for signal 1 and signal 2. I did that via the scoreboard objective set display command. Of course this isn't necessary, but it's useful if you are using wireless redstone, so you can see if it's on or off and if it's all working. So now we come to the senders and the receivers. Over here we have a sender, and over there we have a receiver. And as you can see, if I put this lever off, as it is now, the top command block gets powered, and when it's on, the bottom command block gets powered. The top command block sets a score of a player, in this case signal 1, for the objective redstone to 0. In the past it was a bit complicated to use non-existing players, but now you can just put every name you can think of in the player argument. So signal 1 isn't player which was never online or something, it's just something I made up. And this command block sets score to 0, and this command block sets score to 1. So that's the sender, and then here the receiver. I used the command scoreboard players test. That's a new command. It tests the score of a certain player for a certain objective if that score is between the minimum and the maximum value you give. So in this case I tested the score of signal 1 for objective redstone is between 1 and 1, and the output now is score 0 is not in range 1 to 1, so with this comparator it doesn't give an output and the redstone lamp is off. But over here score 1 is in range 1 to 1 for signal 2, so this comparator gives an output and the redstone lamp is on. To make it as fast as possible I used this very fast redstone clock. It's almost, well, around 20 times a second this redstone block gets refreshed. That is possible because this command block sets a redstone block over here, and this command block sets air over here. So they get almost at the same time powered, and then constantly it will be removed and again placed, and you will only see that it's placed, but in fact it gets removed in place, as I told, around 20 times a second. So that's all. It's pretty simple, I think. As I said, I think this is the best way to use it, but there could be even better ways to create wireless redstone. But I hope this was useful to you. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.